Hey, it's Carter with Adventure Truck, and today I'm going to show you how to take off your Honda Element's original OEM roof rack. Here we have the original roof rack on the red Element, and over here is the rack that we make at Adventure Truck. This is a rooftop platform rack for overland adventures like rooftop tents and gear and whatnot. These racks fit any Honda Element. So hit us up at adventuretruck.com if you're interested. Now here we go. Let me show you how to take these guys off. Tools you're going to need is a 3/8 socket wrench, a 3-inch extension bar, it's also 3/8 socket wrench fitting, a 5mm hex bit socket, some penetrating oil. It doesn't have to be this kind, just look for the words penetrating oil. It can spray or it can squirt, and then a flathead screwdriver of some sort on the smaller side. What you first want to do is take your flathead screwdriver, stick it right in the middle between the rubber and the plastic, and just bend it up, and this cover pops off. Alright, and you'll see that there's a little cutout lip right there to actually fit the screwdriver in. You're going to want to take your penetrating oil and put some in each of the holes. Do for both sides. Now after you let that sit for about 10 or 15 minutes, you'll want to get your socket hex set up here, and basically this is probably going to be corroded. You're just going to want to be very smooth, push down and across, and just be fluid, very gentle but actually firm at the same time, and it'll actually break at some point and be very smooth at that point. It'll be great. Sometimes it's scary to get there. Now here's the bolts and washers that come out. What I like to do, see, they're in there, they're just unscrewed. This is now loose. But what I do is you just take this top, put it back on. Screws are kept in there, and this lifts off. I've already done the other side. Okay, and that's it. Thanks for watching. AdventureTruck.com if you're interested in the 311 Adventure rack behind me. And they fit on all Elements, 03 to 2011. Take care.